Okay kids, welcome back to the shop. Today I show you guys how to modify the timeline and offset a plane to rotate a part. And the end result is going to be a holder for my flashlight. Alright, let's start this bracket by drawing two circles. The inside diameter is going to be smaller than the outside. You decide what dimensions will work best for you. Next, press pull to whatever dimension you want. Time to draw the mounting portion of this bracket. This is the part where we offset the plane for the first time. We go up, select offset plane, select the plane, offset it to the desired dimension, which would be the edge of the circle. Okay, we use the offset plane to draw a rectangle, and this will be our new mounting surface. This looks good, but it's 90 degrees off. I'm not going to redraw it. I'm going to try to rotate it 90 degrees. As you can see, when I go to rotate the mounting part of the bracket, it is rotating around the front face because that is the face that I created the part from, or the plane. To solve this issue, I'm going to offset the plane a 1/4 inch. Next, I draw a center line on the new plane. This center line will be what I rotate the part around. Okay kids, stick with me on this one. The center line I drew is sketch 7. I had to create a new sketch. Now we need the center line, sketch 7, so we can rotate the mounting part around the center line, and the mount is sketch 5. So look at the lower left on the timeline. I'm going to move sketch 7 in front of sketch 5. And there you have it. I modified the timeline. Now we're able to rotate like we would a normal part. Finally, I got it to work. I know the holes didn't rotate. I'm just going to delete those and redraw them. After looking at this, I realized it's going to be very hard to 3D print. I'm going to have to modify that mounting bracket so it only sticks out one direction. Alright, I can live with this. Let's put some holes in this thing. This looks good. I can live with it. Off to Cura, and then we'll 3D print it. I use 20% infill, no brim, and I do add supports. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.